Do not buy an iPad mini or an iPad until you've watched this video.
Sonny Daniel advertisers.
What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna bring you a Sonny Daniel certified product. And I told you in my AirPods video, a Sonny Daniel certified product is a product that I would spend my money on, so y'all know that it's worth the purchase, because I'm picky. If I buy something and I'm happy with it, that's a rare occasion. I picked up the Mi Pad 4, man. The Mi Pad 4, I already opened it up because I bought it used. Unbox it a little bit. Whoop, 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 whoop. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's get into the product. We got an 8-inch tablet, bruh. Now, I already done opened this up and played with it and everything. It's not completely set up to look exactly like I want it to yet. It's hard to get this all in the frame. This is an 8-inch tablet, man. I know y'all might be wondering, why are you buying a tablet, Sonny? Like, it's 2019, why do you need a tablet? Well, if you saw my Huawei video, you know I'm obsessed with big phones, and I don't see Apple making a phone this big anytime soon. Now, this is my iPhone 7 Plus, just to give you a size comparison between the two. Easy to use with one hand, very pocketable. Throw it in your pocket with your phone, very easy. Nobody's probably gonna make a phone this big, this wide, and this screen ratio. But if they did, guaranteed I would purchase it. Just imagine, you slim those bezels down, this would be a phone, man. You throw some really good cameras on it. This tablet cost me $170, man. $170. I believe we got a headphone jack on here. Yeah, we got the headphone jack, we got LTE, we got some decent cameras. I'm not sure what they are, but they decent. It doesn't matter really what they are, because you shouldn't be taking pictures with a tablet. Dude had a little scuff mark on it, but I ain't tripping. The volume rocker up and down, the power switch, dual speakers, USB-C, metal construction. Very nice tablet, man. And it's black, so it's like it blends in really well. I like the all black, looks good. What I love so much about this tablet is that it didn't feel like a tablet. It really felt like a phone. And you know, we're gonna hop over to Instagram real quick. Let's hop over to Instagram. Now you see, I got this in one hand. You see this? This is one hand ability. I'm just saying, man, this is how you wanna scroll through Instagram. You wanna play around on Instagram? This is the way to do it. Let me go over to the phone. Now, of course, this is all in fun, man. You know what I mean? Look at this. It's cool, but look at this tablet. I mean, this really feels like I'm holding a magazine in my hand. Like, I know I said that's what the Huawei felt like, but this really feels like that because it's got a wider screen ratio. And that was another thing that I liked about this, is that the screen ratio is 16:10. So one thing that I hate about the iPad mini, which is why I didn't pick up the iPad mini, actually two big reasons why I didn't pick up the iPad mini. One, it's super outdated and they haven't updated it yet. They might soon though, so if you're looking for an iPad mini, just wait. The biggest thing is the screen ratio. The iPad mini has these thick bezels with this little square screen like the old school TVs, man. Like, I'm not been getting ready to watch, you know, Martin and Kenan and Kel all the time on my tablet. They would be really dope when I do, because it'll fill up the exact screen ratio, but most of the time be on Instagram, be on YouTube, things that actually have a modern screen ratio of 16:9 or even taller. So I don't want a tablet that has a square display. I don't understand why Apple keeps making tablets with square displays. I think that's so stupid, because content isn't square like that. But let's hop over here to YouTube. When you go to a YouTube video and you see it's fast, man, it's fast as my phone, if not faster. You see on this tablet, man, we rocking almost the whole tablet size. You just got little slivers on the top and bottom, not really major at all. The screen quality is really nice, man. It's getting bright in here, so it's hard for you to see the tablet like I want you to. You can hop back over to Instagram. You could be on Instagram. You got your video playing down there. If you're looking for an iPad mini, please don't buy one. There's so many better options out here, bruh, for like fractions of the price. I'm telling you, I was just looking for one, and I'm trying to tell y'all before you waste your money on one, get this tablet right here, man, the Mi Pad 4. It's a Chinese tablet, but these Chinese phones and tablets, bro, I'm telling you, they the wave, man. And I'm buying them so y'all can see them, so y'all can maybe pick them up too. Go on eBay. You can get this brand new for like $200. I got it used because I wasn't sure about it. As soon as I took it out the box and I had it in my hands like this, and like I told you, man, I got nice size hands. I want something to fill up my hands. You know what I'm saying? The little phone is cool. I like it. It's dope. This is mobile. This is what you want to be rocking when you at home, in the bed, on the internet, scrolling through stuff, seeing what's popping. Now, I haven't made this look official yet, so tonight I'm gonna make it look official. I'm gonna make it look just like my jailbreak. I already installed Nova Launcher, so I'm getting it ready, man. I'm getting it ready. That's coming soon. I'll probably put that at the end of this video, but you really could use this as a phone. It's got a SIM card slot and everything. Apple Music, let's go ahead and take it over to the sound. I don't even think I've heard the sound. Slightly. I got my Apple Music hooked up. Apple Music is always slow on Android. Android. I want to get something that's not copyrighted, but I'm gonna have to get something that's copyrighted. Let's play this Melly, man. This is my joint. The sound is pretty good. It's only out the bottom though. I'm gonna go ahead and compare the two, even though they're not really comparable. I'm gonna just go ahead and compare them just for sound differences. If you got an iPhone 7, this is how loud it is. And then this is the Mi Pad 4. You can hear it's definitely a lot louder, but the sound isn't. I almost feel like the sound on the Huawei was definitely better just because the Huawei had speakers up at the top and bottom. So when you would hold it sideways, it felt like there was like 2 speakers on the side of your head. But the speakers on this is good. For $170, $200, bro, you really can't beat it. A lot of y'all are from different countries, which is pretty dope. Like my last video, people were saying they was from different places and they was guessing that I was from America, which is pretty dope that I'm attracting a new audience with all these different products, man. But look, I'm trying to tell my American people, I'm trying to tell all my foreign people, get these tablets, man, get these phones, because they are so much better than some of the stuff that's in the store right now. Like mostly the iPad, man. Like and look, I have an iPad. This is one thing you gonna always see on my channel. I'm gonna be honest with y'all regardless. I'm not an Apple fanboy. I'm not an Android fanboy. I like new fresh tech. I like good tech. And let me tell you something. I had an iPad, the original iPad, and it was a waste of time. I bought this iPad Air. It was a waste of time. I literally used this iPad just for my security. When it announces that somebody's at my door, I just have it plugged in by my couch. This is a 10-inch, this only an 8-inch. Let me just hop over to YouTube and show y'all what I was talking about, just in case you didn't know what I was talking about the aspect ratio. And that's another thing about my reviews, man. I'm not gonna tell you the same thing you done heard 50,000 times. I'm gonna just show you the little tiny stuff that you might care about. Let me turn this down. Remember when I told you that I'm super petty? Remember I told you I'm super petty and little petty stuff bothers me? Well, this is what I'm talking about. You got this big tablet. Now this on all the iPads, because all the iPads got this weird screen ratio. And then you got this huge black bar here, huge black bar there. Why not make the iPad 16:9 or at least 16:10? That only makes sense. Let me see if I can get the same video over here. This just feels so much better, man. I'm subscribed to this dude. I forgot his name though. We almost got the same amount of screen on this 10-inch tablet as we do on this 8-inch tablet because the screen ratio is better. Now it is a little bit bigger, but just check that out. Check that out. Almost the same size video, man. And that's a big reason why I don't like iPads. I don't know why Apple continues to use that square ratio. It doesn't benefit anybody. The apps are already thinner for phones and stuff, so it's like, what is the point? This iPad is really slow, man. This Air was dumb slow. As far as the quality too, like the quality on this Mi Pad is, I'd say, either the same or just a little bit better because the Mi Pad is rounded on the edges, so I like that. And again, man, look at this. It fits good in the hands. You got your picture-in-picture down here. Perfect situation, man. What else y'all want to see? Let me know in the comments when I do these kind of reviews. What kind of things do you want me to test out? Got the AirPods. I could hook the AirPods up to this. Of course, I'm not. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna make this look official. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when I do tech reviews and stuff like that. That's not the only thing I do on my channel, but when I do, just feel comfortable that I've spent hours online looking at stuff, looking at forums, looking at the specs to really find the best value for my money. And this was the best value for my money, man. Less than $200, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna come back. We're gonna do a full review. All right, everybody, it's been a couple days. I got it all hooked up, you know, the way I like it. Everything is looking super official. Now I do have a lot of apps up here, man. I got a lot of apps because I haven't really decided what I want to do with the app situation. Do I want to keep them all on the home screen, like a one home screen type vibe, or do I want to create 2 screens? I'm not really sure yet, but right now we just got the one screen. I want to show y'all what I did to it. I want to show y'all the apps I'm using, and just to let y'all know, man, after the couple days that I've been using this tablet, bruh, it's perfect, man. Like, I mean, it really is. I did run into one hiccup though. FORTNITE wouldn't install on here. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure FORTNITE would play on here because PUBG can play on here, but FORTNITE wouldn't install. It said the graphics wasn't capable or something. So unfortunately, no FORTNITE. That is a problem, but I mean, they got PlayStation emulators and all kind of stuff in the Play Store, which I'm new to coming from Apple, but a lot of good stuff in the Play Store that you can enjoy this. But this tablet has been amazing, man. It's just a great size, you know. This 8-inch tablet, you throw it right in your pocket. It's a dog outside my house. I just messed up my home screen. Man, hold up. I'm gonna just show you the apps I got on here. I got YouTube, Vimeo for Hodge Twins TV, Netflix. Let's just pop over to Netflix, show y'all how amazing Netflix is, man. Look at this. There we go. We watching the Magic School Bus. This is just gonna be my play around tablet. I'm gonna just do like random stuff on it. Maybe have it on when I'm working on the computer or some laptop, have my phone, have this running. We got Hulu, we got Amazon Prime Video. This The Simpsons. The Simpsons, man. I had got so caught up in this game. I'm gonna just show y'all a little bit of it. It's such a perfect size to play games. The bezels are smaller than my phone, actually. The bezels on this tablet are smaller than the bezels on this iPhone 7 Plus, which, you know, I'm gonna be upgrading my phone later this year. Don't worry. I know I'm a tech dude with a damn 7-year-old iPhone. It ain't that old, but still. But yeah, man, so, you know, The Simpsons, this is one of my favorite games. Y'all see, I've been pretty active on this game, but I haven't played it, man, like really played it in a long time, like probably in like 2 years, and really got into it, I'm saying. It runs perfectly. I got this Monopoly game. We got HBO, DirecTV, QVC. This is all like my video section, and then those 2 games. We got the Play Store, the Nova Launcher, settings, the coloring book, which this is a great app to have on this tablet too, man. You know I like this coloring book app, so I was drawing this picture the other day. Some coloring action. You can go in here, say you want to make your nails red, you know what I mean? It's just a cool app to have, man. Like, I really like this app on my phone, and it's even better on this big tablet. It's not even that big though. I shouldn't say big tablet. This is a perfect size pocket tablet. That's a pocket tablet. That's what these is called, pocket tablet. That's what I'm gonna name them. We got eBay, of course. I didn't mean to open that. We got Amazon for all my online purchases. For $170, 200 max, you getting a nice little setup, man. We got Instagram, you know. Hey, and shout out to all the people, man, that was posting in the comments about the Android swiping. So I didn't know you could swipe from this side of the screen to go back. I didn't know that, man. So I appreciate y'all to letting me know that in my Huawei video, because I had no idea that's how you go back on the Android, so you don't have to swipe across that whole screen. Instagram, of course, is a joy on here. You got the full Instagram experience, which I love, which you can't get on the iPad because for some reason Apple doesn't have an Instagram app, or I don't know what the problem is, but you can't do that on the iPad or iPad mini. Got my smart home stuff, got my security file manager, which, you know, you can put your files in here, which, by the way, I did put a little bit of something in here. I wanted to test out the video playback, so I had to take it back with the Martin, man. Y'all already know. Shout out to all the people that knew where I got my banner inspiration from, because I really wanted to see if it can read any file for video, and it seems like it's reading almost all of them. Some Kenan and Kel, all my childhood, man. But Martin really wasn't my childhood because I was too young to watch Martin, but my parents was watching Martin. I was watching this. Let's see what else we got. I even got a little video of me that I put on digital from the old school VHS tapes. So every file that I threw at this, it worked. I thought I had some iCarly on there, but all the files work. MKV, MP4, all of that works on here. So you'll be good just throwing your videos on here. Check those out later. One thing about photos, now we ain't gonna get too in detail with this because I don't know, I got a lot of crazy stuff in my wallpapers folder, but say I click this, right? Now remember I was telling you on the Huawei phone it was all weird. With this one, you swipe down just on like iOS. And the picture quality on the camera, I know I wanted to show y'all, so maybe I'll put this in the video. It's not bad, man. It's not bad. The picture quality isn't horrible, but it's definitely not something that you want to be taking pictures with. I mean, who takes pictures with tablets anyway? Push come to shove, you got it. This right here, this is my Alexa button. So whenever I want to do something, turn on the studio. Studio just came on. Turn off the studio. Perfect. So it's just cool to have that on the tablet. You got the text messaging. This is just text now. I was texting myself, making sure it worked. It works perfectly. So if you're at the house, you could text anybody you want, call anybody you want right from this app. Then down here we got Apple Music, man. Apple Music is definitely a must. I got all this 90s stuff, man. I'm working on my 90s playlist. A lot of 90s stuff coming up, but yeah, man, Apple Music works perfectly. It sounds good. I showed y'all before. I just been on the look for something new, man. You know what I mean? Something bigger than my phone, but without having to spend a bunch of money because I'm waiting on the new iPhone and all of that. So until the fall, these 2 devices will hold me over and see what Apple's doing. If Apple ain't doing nothing, then I ain't buying nothing. But until then, I'm really liking the Mi Pad 4 by Xiaomi. Xiaomi Mi Pad 4 is what this is called, man. And honestly, Huawei and Xiaomi, bruh, they killing it, man. They really are killing it. And for the price point, it's crazy. Now I know they're gonna update the iPad mini, and and they might have updated it before this video comes out. I hope not, because then I'm gonna sound kind of crazy. But right now, the iPad mini is like 4 years old or something like that, something crazy like that. And it's a better screen ratio. You're getting to fill up your whole screen with the video content. It's just a better experience, man. And to be honest with you, if y'all haven't seen my new banner, check it out. And honestly, this is the future we going towards, y'all. If y'all didn't know, this is the future we going towards, because with the flippable phones, which Huawei is killing it with the Mate X. I'm just saying, the Samsung is nice, but the Huawei is what I'm buying. This is the future we going towards though, man. Something like this can turn into something like this. And that's where we going with foldable phones. I can't wait for it, because I love having a big phone size like that, but I also love the small form factor of a phone like that. So definitely Sonny Daniel certified tablet, $170 up to $200. You can get this at the house. Get the 32 gigabyte version with the 3 gigabytes of RAM. That's plenty, and it's cheaper. And you could throw a 512 gigabyte or a 256 gigabyte memory card in it, and you good to go, man. So get the cheaper one for $200. Telling you, man, this is a great little tablet, man. Something you can have in the bed, by the bed when you get off the laptop. You want to just chill in the bed, something bigger, surf the internet, surf the gram, anything like that. Just have a bigger screen. This is for you. And then we got the Google Assistant, of course. Go to sonnydaniel.com. We on the website. Everything is official. I'm just saying, man, this is a Sonny Daniel certified 10 out of 10 little tablet, man. Pocket tablet. That's what I'm calling it. Pocket tablet. And I'm gonna keep y'all updated. If any new ones come out, I'm gonna buy them. The only thing they could do is they could shrink these bezels. If they shrink these bezels, bruh, I'd be tempted to throw my SIM card in that and just not have a phone. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for showing love. And that was another thing when I showed you the text now thing. That works all over Wi-Fi. You could text and call anybody, but if you throw a SIM card in here, this could be your phone, man. So if you're a fan of big phone, hey, I'm just saying. Not saying you should, I'm just saying you can. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all like these tech videos, man, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.
Tell me why you're playing with my mind.